Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is Jagrat here, and previously we have already seen that how can we create a sheet with the help of Selenium in Excel. Okay, so in today's session we will see that how to remove a particular sheet from the Excel. Okay, so let me create a class for this. So before proceeding towards the coding part, let me show you. So let us suppose this is my Excel sheet. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah, so you can see here this is my sheet, and let me maximize this. Yeah, so guys, this is the sheet 2. Okay, so let us suppose I want to remove this sheet. Okay guys, I want to remove this sheet. So let me close this. So let me create a class that is the remove sheet. Okay, so firstly I will build the standalone code for this, and then I will make the utility for this. Okay, so let us suppose my class name is remove sheet. Okay, and just click on public static void main and then just click on finish. So this will create the structure for remove sheet class. So you can see here the structure has been created. Okay, now again the same thing, we need to copy those 3 lines: file class, file input stream class, and need to access the Excel. Okay, so let me copy this and let me paste here. That's it. Okay, now we need to throws declaration. Okay, so let me directly add the throws declaration from here. Okay, so let us suppose exception class. Now there is a method guys, so wb dot, you can see this method remove sheet at method. Okay, so guys, but just see here that it is taking the argument index. Okay, but guys, it is always recommendable that always put the sheet name. Okay, let me tell you the reason why. Let us suppose in your Excel there is only 2 to 3 sheets. Okay, then it is very easy to find the index for each and every sheet. But let us suppose you have an Excel and there are more than 15-16 sheets inside it. Okay, then guys, it is very tedious task to find out the, I mean, you can find out, but it is very hectic to find out the index. You need to count that 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you need to go till your required sheet. Okay, so it is always recommendable that always access the sheet with the help of sheet name. Okay, so guys, firstly we need to find out anything that we can get the index. Okay, so there is a method guys, wb dot get sheet index method will be there. You can see here, see get sheet index, and here I can pass a string. Okay, so this is sheet 2. Okay, I want to know the index of sheet 2, and it will return integer. Okay, so int, let us suppose index is equal to this. Okay, so let me print this and let's see whether it is it will give the right index or not. Okay, so I printed the index also. Now with the help of this index we can remove the sheet. So wb dot remove sheet at, and we will pass here index, this index. Okay guys, so you can see here we can pass index. Okay, And how can we find out the index? With the help of getSheetIndex method, and we pass the sheet name here. Okay. As we are going to change in the Excel, so we need to use the file output stream. So let me copy this thing here and let me paste this thing. Okay, that's it. So guys, this is the code for removing the sheet from the Excel. Okay, so let's run this and let's see whether it is working fine or not. So we ran this. Okay, and let's see. So guys, you can see here it printed 1 index. Okay, so you can see here sheet 1 is 0 index and sheet 2 at 1 first index. So it is giving you the correct output. Okay, now let's refresh this and let's see whether sheet 2 is removed from the Excel or not. So let's open the Excel. And guys, let's see. So guys, you can see here, see, sheet 2 is removed from the Excel. Okay, you can see here, sheet 2 is removed from the Excel. See, okay, so this is the standalone code for this. Now we will make the utility. So let me again create the sheet. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so let me save this. Now we need to build 2 functions. Okay, first function is getSheetIndex, because firstly we want to know that what is the index of that particular sheet, and then we will pass that particular index into the remove sheet function. Okay, so let's firstly make the function for getSheetIndex. Okay, so just copy this and let me paste here. So getSheetIndex method we will use. Okay, and you can see here we can pass the string. Okay, so string sheet name is okay. Now we will use wb dot get sheet index. Okay, so wb dot get sheet index method we will use like this, and here I will pass the sheet name. Okay, and this will give you there is no need to write this code here fout, because we are extracting something from the Excel, so we can remove this from here. Okay, and this will return something index, so int index, or we can say sheet index. Okay, here, so you need to change it the return type, and here I will write return sheet index. Okay, that's it. See, it's very simple. So what we did, we put the getSheetIndex method, and inside getSheetIndex we need to pass this sheet name. Okay, and it will return sheet index as an integer. Okay, and just return that sheet index. So this is the one function for getSheetIndex. Now we need to prepare the function for remove sheet. Okay, so this is the remove sheet. So let me write the utility for remove sheet also. So remove sheet. Okay, and here I will pass this sheet index. Okay, so I will pass this sheet index. So int, and I will pass this sheet index. Let me copy this and let me paste it. That's it. Okay guys, and what I will use, let me copy this code and let me paste here, because we are going to change in Excel, so we need to use file output string. Okay, and here I will use which method? wb dot remove sheet at method. Okay, and I will pass the sheet index. That's it. Okay, and we need to change it void. Okay guys, so you can see that we made the utility for two functions. First, we will extract the sheet index, and then whatever the sheet index will come, we will pass it in the remove sheet method. Okay guys, so let me copy this and let's change the standalone code. Okay, so Excel data obj is equal to new Excel data, and here I will pass the Excel path. Okay, so what is my Excel path? Let me copy my Excel path. So guys, this is my Excel path. Okay, just copy this and just paste it. That's it. Okay, remove extra slashes. So let me remove this. Okay, that's it. And you need to import this Excel data class. Okay, so I imported it. Okay, now with the help of this obj, we can firstly call which method? Get sheet index method. Okay, and here I will pass my sheet name. My sheet name is sheet 2. Okay, and it will return what? It will return index. Okay guys, it will return index. Now if you want, you can print this index, but I am directly using it. Okay, so next thing I need to call remove sheet method, and here I will pass this index. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. You need to incorporate only 3 lines. Okay, so let's run this and let's see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so we ran the program, and now program is terminated. Okay, so let's refresh this, and now let's open this. So sheet 2 must be removed from the Excel. Okay, yes. So guys, you can see here sheet 2 is removed. See. Okay, let me maximize this. So you can see here guys, sheet 2 is removed. Okay, so guys, please practice this. Okay, so today in this session we made 2 utilities. First utility for getting the sheet index, and second utility is for removing the sheet. Okay, always remember, please try to access your sheet with the help of sheet name instead of sheet index. Okay, it is always recommendable, and the reason is that I have already told you in the session. Okay, so guys, please practice this, and if you really like this session, then please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so in the next session we will see some more operations, like how to create the column at the runtime, how to set the value in a particular column at the runtime. Okay, so these type of operations we will see in the next session. So please practice this and see you in the next session. Bye bye.